Okay, where is it? Ooh, buff lamp. How many times have your mother and I told you?
Is there anything that can stop him?
That might stop it.
Johnny.
I'm still close.
Hey, you said you wanted to be a party monster, and you are.
Yeah, but now those super secret agent guys will show up.
Let's get ready! Johnny!
Life is good. Okay, now I'm sick. You should just go back to the store, complain, and buy some more.
That's a great idea, Johnny.
Dookie! We must have ate him. No!
The Abtastic Muscle Bar! It's worked!
Hairball!
I'll get that, sir.
Can't decide. Try Doc Babel's Honey Bunch Bar. Nature's candy and it's good for you.
Ew, that's not candy.
Burping in the park.
I will defeat you, tasty meat monster!
Oh, feeling bad. Can't go. School.
Quick! Dog pile on dog! He ate our bag!
Broham. Huh, maybe I am. Now, feed them, burp them, and get them to bed while I finally...
I'm holding Susan and she's not resisting me! Oh, baby Susan.
Good boy. What do you want this time, little brother? It cross-contaminated Johnny's DNA and devolved him into a caveman.
The blah, 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 blah. How do we get Johnny?
I'm a failure!
Yep, that's what it is.
Who wants burgers? Burgers for everyone!
Johnny has saved the day!
Better than dirt. Johnny need more. Man, you're fast.
They're going to lose their scholarship!
And this is my problem, Hal.
It's got absolutely nothing cool on it, and it's loaded with parental controls.
It's barfy. I hate it. Oh, so that's what $50 worth of pizza tastes like. Oh.
Johnny X and Super Pooch are destroyed.
And now it's bathroom.
I'm really loving our date, Susan Test!
It's not a date!
Well, look on the bright side. The house is clean.
There's nothing left for Mom.
What was that? They're gonna blow! What was that?
Oh, yeah.
Not just a talking wart, you're talking wart. Now,
Can't you see he's more than just an incredibly ugly heap of skin?
hey, you're no supermodel.
He's my buddy, not just baby food. Peas with chunks of meat. It's the perfect Barbie-looking get-a-day-off food.
And you are not staying home today, and...
Chunks of meat!
No, Mom, I don't need one of those.
Mashed peas
peas with chunks of meat?
Would you believe?
This place does look nice. Waiter!
This day off keeps getting better and better. He's still sad.
Darn it! And I didn't even know any creatures from Azorium even existed on Earth.
Razorium?
Oh, Treaty! No, I guess our non-fighting treaty.
Your son just destroyed my whole team! We need your pocket reactor and...
Who's the stiff?
Bad, naughty. Dad, are you okay?
Technically, I think I'm Barb.
This is my best play ever. It's about how Albert Einstein discovers the benefits of recycling. You play a reusable shopping bag.
That was kind of fun.
Ooh, meatloaf? Yes, I can't wait to eat it.
You gotta admit, being invisible is cool.
It's not bad.
With real artificial cheese sauce.
What could possibly be so amazing about a movie?
Yuck.
I've never felt so dirty. Dogs are not supposed to do that.
I want an army of frogmen, some minesweepers, sonar, and 3 corn dogs.
Back in time to get the cheaper video game and be home before the girls return from their geek shopping trip with cheap hot dog bread.
In fact, take them all!
Oh, yeah.
And that pelican.
Fig and mango.
Filet and mignon.
Now let's test the voice-commanded mini...
T-Boney.
Doesn't open anything.
What a rip! A key to the city that doesn't open anything.
Speaks volumes.
Yeah, volumes of barf.
Johnny, I've hit you! I can't believe it! I can't believe... Oh, yeah.
Help! This monster has seriously bad P.O.
Then what?
I remember this monster has a nasty natural blaster.
What is it?
Yeah, never mind.
What's that horrible smell?
Dad's Tuscany pimento meatloaf.
Yeah, I think I'll pass on dinner, Dad.
There's this monkey in a rowboat, and he sees it. That's it! Why is using your manners at the dinner table so difficult? You think you could just sit there and not spill, burp, mini vomit, make a gross comment, or destroy anything at tomorrow's dinner? Can Johnny eat everything on his plate and make it through dinner without burping or making a gross comment?
Bring it on.
Pate with oysters. Pants Casino with escargot.
Good loaf, Dad. Best ever.
Thank you. Good one, Dad.
I can't explain it. I feel all weird around Joni, like I'm gonna barf.
I can't explain it.
Well, not being around her makes me want to, like, triple barf.
Yeah, I feel the same about Dutchie.
Man, this cat ray is good.
Hair snowballs!
Duck!
You want green goop or brown goop?
Brown?
Thank you.
Let's go kick some germ butt.
There's still one problem. Seriously, I will lick you.
Okay.
Bring his grades up. I'm sure you can think of something he can do.
academically or chores. I'll leave it up to you.
To the left! Cereal box pride picture jumping me now!
It's a fruit juice sweetened kelp and soy-based cereal.
Okay, that sounds gross. But it's got a cool prize inside, right? What's happening?
It's the cereal. It tastes so disgusting, they're terrified and now fear our planet.
Bon appetite! Alien from another world, Jelly-Os! What are you doing?
Getting a cool, refreshing drink of water. What does it look like I'm doing?
You knocked over all the trash!
It may be trash to use.
Behold, the girl's DNA!
Yeah.
To the lab! Okay, can do. Wait, what?
Beautiful baby, see you on set.
And without a stunt double, you'll have to do your own stunt, Speed. Meaning you'll have to kiss the octopus.
Ooh.
But if you agree to the picnic,
He's washing the sebaceous fluid out of his ears. It's a family condition. Well.
Dude, your mom told me about your gunky ear thing. It'd be a shame if Susan...
Hat tester,
Next!
book duster, pencil sharpener, cabbage taster, toilet paper. Oh, never mind. Freeze vapor sprayer!
Yeah, being rich is good.
This kitchen is amazing, Johnny.
Johnny, just the little brother we were looking for. Yeah, we want to cash in a Johnny coupon. Satellite kill! No, not robot kill!
Hey, Repto! And family. Okay, we empty Red Gush energy drink bottle, then put them in shiny big receptacle.
Huh? What's that? Now, I could have sworn oh, well.
Not a big deal. Your dad's frozen. That means no dinner.
You mean no meatloaf?
Boy Drone X has rocket feet, and Johnny X needs an ugly dog to fly.
I heard that! And the year's supply of Red Gush Plus. Score!
Sit and blow power boots into it and possibly resolder a circuit board and repair the Red Gush damage.
Look, I make snow cones that look like you.
It's okay. Can't get in.
Great job, son. And now that the house is clean, I'm going to prepare a cleaning day feast. Dinner's in 1 hour. And make sure you and Johnny are there and that you haven't done any... Now, let's all dig in and enjoy a nice dinner as a family.
Would you look at that? He's grooming you. How hygienic.
Hey, Clyde and I deserve a last meal before we get carted away forever. Vote.
Sir Lancelot's, the largest selection of pizza and lasers in the tri-state area. Here we come. Let's see. We have video games at 11, reservations at the kitchen for grilled cheese at 12:30, and...
Ugh, what kind of cheese is this?
That is some serious burpage.
Yeah, but burping to the letter D just isn't big enough to win the contest.
Hey, grab me a Red Gush, would ya?
You're so serious. Relax. Video games should be fun. Again.
My meatloaf parfaits. So good you can't keep the flies away. Well clean.
Hello? It's your mom's boss.
Yes.
What igloo?
Hi, kids.
What presentation?
Thanks, Mr. Vegan. And here's a happy to join the team meatloaf.
Meatloaf?
Here's the meatloaf report, sir. I also took the liberty of preparing several samples.
Great work, Tess. It's even colder when you're an old mutt and not a puppy. I had been there 1 year when he walked in.
King who locked me in a tower. Or better yet, a toad. The sprays effect is random.
Well, dinner's ready. Who's hungry?
Is it meatloaf?
Actually,
It sounded like a feast fit for the kingdom.
Oh, Barb.
The thermometer will adjust his singing, dancing, and kissing.
My least favorite ing.
No, I don't think I will. A sooner might choose death. Oh, Castille's got werewolf breath.
We need to melt him out of there.
Say no more, compadre. This tongue was made for licking, and licking's just what it'll do.
No commotion. Just winning pants. Oop, excuse me. How did you know what my sisters were doing?
My dookie vibe.
Valentine's Day is the grossest, sickest, barfiest holiday ever invented. My parents are zombies? Sweet.
Not sweet! They want to eat our brains!
Hey, at least it ain't kissing. You're clean.
You ate money? Haven't you heard of a bank?
Supper mozzarella veggie ham?
No, I think it was silly.
1, no friends in the house.
2, no overeating and keep the kitchen spotless.
Hey, house, Johnny's in charge. Johnny's in charge of lunch. Johnny's in charge of fun. Johnny's in charge of everything.
Yeah, mine's pretty good. Just stocking up on the low. The wife's at the salon. Daughters are doing their thing.
Not that I had any fun while you were gone. Hey, what happened to your hair? And I thought you were getting meatloaf. Double say what?
We're working on a cure for stinky feet, which we do not have. Yeah, definitely not.
Nah, I wonder what kind of sandwiches Dad made for lunch, though.
Ooh, hope they're BLTs!
Dad said you have to eat lunch.
Someone ate the last BLT.
Destroy Johnny and rule pork belly.
What? No, I'm sorry I ate your sandwiches.
Oh, it's gross! It tastes so gross!
Oh, come on, Hugh. Let the kids go kill some time in the mall. Besides, I could go for a snack.
Oh, fine.
Which is really too bad. You look so happy.
Look, kids, your father wants to go to the Upchuck Geysers, and we're all going whether we like it or not.
Well, at least we won't starve.
No, but we might barf.
This is gonna be a great family vacation.
Yeah, okay, but don't you want some giant toast first?
Oh boy, do I.
Love that hot sauce. Oh, Upchuck Geysers! We made it!
Cute little koalas.
I don't know, I think the Red Gusher's cool.
No more red gush.
Hundreds of codes and not one cool prize. Et mon cher, merci beaucoup.
Ooh, you speak French. 2 ice creams coming up, monsieur.
Hey! All this upside down time is making Doggy dizzy.
There's pretty much a button for everything.
Cool. Got one there for a double-decker pizza?
We're serious, Johnny.
All right, you hurt Tom Burpout's feelings. Not cool.
Oh, relax, Johnny.
Junk food feasts. Huh? There's nothing but celery in here. Blast Dad's Healthy Kid Initiative. A hamburger ray gun? Sweet. You think I could have one of those? Curse.
Alien invasion? Free steak? Oh, please say it's free steak.
A disturbance in the toy kid continuum.
Box of trans fat-free Gill cookies. Delicious.
See you around, fellas.
I have to go to the store and buy some onions. Oh, I love onions. Can you hang here for any potential buy?
Meatloaf is served.
Yay!
No, better. We're having mini meatloaves.
He saved us.
Perhaps not, but your eggs were delicious.
We agreed to never...
Go on.
Whoever collects the most eggs and wins a contest gets the other test kids' candy.
You're on.
super sniffer of yours.
Nah, I'll pass.
I'll split the candy with you.
Ooh, I'm in. Hugs, love, and candy.
Attention, egg hunter!
Oh, it's no use. I'll never master the fabled sonic burp.
Now I'm thinking about cats.
I bow to you, Burp Master Dookie. Even now, it makes me... Taco-chan. You can still smell the delicious.
All I smell is grease, questionable meat, and dirty socks.
Drink this!
Okay. Probably should have asked what that was before I chugged it.
It's supposed to just grow hair on his head, not turn you into a gassy werewolf.
Awesome! Besides, even if I do, I'll just burp and turn it off. It's a little something I call self-control.
Nope.
Hey, Johnny, are you excited for Pizza Friday?
Heck yeah! What the heck is that, Eugene?
Yeah, we're trying to go with a food theme here.
Hello! Incoming crab fire! I may have to put seafood on the menu, Albert.
Shall I heat the butter, sir?
And now I have all the pizza. And boy, is it good. It's like toast.
With cheese and other...
Johnny, what's that rumbling?
Probably just a burrito. Good going in. Bad coming out.
For deluxe iron suit package! And again, the fabled evil cackle!
That's it.
How did you know that would work?
Because these burritos are good going in and bad coming out. I'll get to it right after this game. And this sandwich.
But this camouflage allows me and my people to hunt well, eat well, and settle this land.
He's coming to eat you. We better...
Grandma had to go. Oh, but don't worry.
Of course.
We're too late! The wolf ate Grandma! Stinkins, go get it down! Stinkins, get it down! Celebrate my 10,000th burp?
It would give us a chance to test the self-driving car tech and remote driving app.